Graphs of inverse functions. This inverse function or functions are actually inverse of rational function. Meaning, whatever the phase of this rational function, the inverse function is the shadow or the image that you can see. Like for example, if you look at the mirror, whatever your face is, that will be reflected into the mirror. Same true with rational function and inverse function. If there is a graph of a rational function, then the reflection of that rational function is the inverse function. Example, from a Cartesian plane like this, if the graph of a rational function is here, then we will put a broken line here at the center passing through the origin. This is called as axis of symmetry. Wrong spelling wrong. Axis. Yes, LV. Yes, LV. Do you have question? Ano? Wait lang. Oh, wait lang. Yes, LV, do you have a question sa chat box? Napindot po, sir. Ah, okay. When you say napindot, ibig sabihin you are not sleeping at this moment. Mamaya ka pa siguro mag-sleep. Right? This broken line is imaginary, and this is called as axis of symmetry, and this will be the basis for us to visualize the reflection of this rational function, the graph of this rational function, into the graph of the inverse function. Okay? Like sinabi ko kanina, pag nakatingin ka sa salamin, whatever kung may makeup ka, yung nasa salamin may makeup din yun siya. So yung ikaw, you will serve as the rational function, and the image that you can see in the mirror is the inverse function. Yan. That's the concept of these two functions. Our task this afternoon is to sketch the graph of this inverse function given the table of values. Alam naman natin yung table of values, di ba? Ang itsura nun is we have table which is consist of values of x and values of y. Values of x and values Now, how do we graph this one? This is the graph of a rational function. Rational ito. This is rational. So, Let's try to graph this one. I know you already know how to graph this because this is just a line, a graph of a line. Yes, from Saint Bernard, Wadi, Ayana Isabel, hindi ko alam kung anong section mo. Michael Cromwell, ano? Trajan, Adrian, hindi ko mabasa yung name mo. Do you know how to plot points? If you cannot plot points, you cannot sketch the graph. We have this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 positive. Numbers at the upper y-axis are positive. To the right of the x-axis is also positive. To the left side is negative. And below the origin is negative axis. So if we try to plot this 0 and negative 1, that is located here. 0 for x, negative 1 for y. If we have 1 and negative 2, that is 1 and negative 2 is located here. 2 and negative 3. 3 and negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Located here. And the last one, 4 for x, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait now. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 and negative 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Negative 4. And we have yan.
Ubusan gani ko pa.
And
Ubusan
this and this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 positive, negative 5.
rational na ko sa absolute value ko.
1,
Tapos
2, 3,
inverse
4,
karon.
5. Negative 5. Ito na. Therefore, our graph, it looks like this. Wait lang. Galiko-liko. This is the graph of the table, and table is rational function, which is the topic this week. Now, if we try to find the inverse of this, we will interchange the values of x with the values of y. This becomes Gomez, I'm from Saint Bernard, alright. And Matunding, good afternoon. Another from Saint Bernard. To find the inverse results given table of values, just interchange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just interchange the values of your x in terms of your y. So from original, these values of x will be already the values of your y. 1, 2, and 4. We have also negative 1 for x from this row, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. If our x is negative 1, our y is 0. Change the color. Change to red. If our x is negative 1, our y is 0. Here. If our x is negative 2, our y is positive 1. It's located here. Tama ba? If our negative 1, 2, 3, if we have if the x is negative 3, your y is negative 2. If our x is negative 4, our y is positive 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Negative 5, positive. So most probably, our graph is here. And the other one, the rational is here. This is the inverse. And this is the green graph is the rational function. It is very easy when the given is a table of values, because you are just to interchange the values of x in terms of y and the y in terms of x. That is how we graph if the given is table of values. Paki screenshot because we will erase. That is the first example. And by the way, before I forget, this kind of room, sabi dun sa signboard. This room is restricted only for teachers. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng pumasok mga estudyante. Same true with mathematics. Pag sinabing restricted, like halimbawa, x must be greater than
Tayo.
or equal to 0, meaning all negative numbers must not be included. Equal or greater than 0. So what are those numbers greater than 0? That is 1 to positive 1 up to infinity. And why is it 0 is included? That's because the restriction states that x is greater than or equal to 0. So you can use 0 up to positive infinity. And that's the time this one to many function uh, can now be converted into inverse function. Mamaya i-discuss ko ano mag-restrict, how to restrict those kind of functions. So I will repeat, if the given is given is table of values and you are to find for the graph of the inverse function, you are just to interchange their values. Right. I hope you understand. Now, how about if the given is the function itself, 2x plus 4? How do we graph this one? We will be resulting into the easiest way to graph this one is, of course, we will go back to table of values again and again, wherein we will assign values of x in order for us to find values of y. Right? So we all know that x belongs to domain and y belongs to range, and range is very much dependent on the values of x. Therefore, we are to assign values of x. Let's say negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and bibigyan natin ng isa, 2. What will be the value of f of x or y if our x is negative 2? That is why the beginning of the discussion should focus on evaluation of functions. Yung sa pinakasimula natin, di ba? Nag-evaluate tayo ng function. This is the purpose of it. So who can give the answer for the first column? If x is negative 2, what will be the value of y? May nag-solve siguro sa bahay? May nag-solve ba? So kung wala, ganito yan. We will go back to evaluation function. This becomes 2 times negative 2 plus 4. This becomes negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. The first column is 0. How about if x is negative 1? 2 times negative 1, 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2 plus 4, that is 2. If x is 0, of course, any number multiplied to 0 is equal to 0. That is why 0 plus 4 equals 4. 2 times positive 1, that is 3, plus 4, that is 7.
2 times
We have 4, ano, 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 4, that is equal to 8. Do you have questions? May answer sila sa chat box. You will see. Oh, dalawa ang answer mo sa... okay. 0, sa ano mo yan, what value of x is that 0? What value of x is that 2? And, dito pala si Shaina. Kunting, sino pa yung bagong pumapa? Dito na rin si Chelsea. Lugas. Tina. Chelsea. You have 7 as the value of y. We have 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 4. This is wrong. This is supposedly 6. Mali yung answer ko. So, we will graph this. We will graph this, the function f of x equals 2x plus 4. Ibalagi yung camera ni Shaina.
Sige, mami.
Ito yung tsura ng camera niya.
Ako asa, sige, ana, agas paper.
Uy.
Sige, ma'am. Lang. Nash! O, sir, plano sa tutas paper, Nash.
Harold? Yes, pumasok na si Harold. Sino pa hindi ko na-mention? Ayana, Micaela. Anong section ka, Ayana? Micaela, anong section kayo? Negative 1, negative 2, 0, positive 1, positive 2. Right? And our highest value for y is 8. We have 1. Okay, ulitin natin. Who among you here knows how to graph this one? Since this is only a line. Ignatius. Oh, meron na talagang Ignatius na dumating. Last time, wala talaga. Puro lang Saint Stephen ang pumasok. Thank you sa iyo. By the way, at 2:30, may meeting kaya. Siguro kami, pero mag-discuss lang. Ganda talaga ito i-discuss sa kwan. Kaya 1, 2, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If our x is negative 2, it is located here. Our y is 0. If our x is negative 1, our x is negative 1, our y is 2. 1, 2. It's here. Hilo. If x is 0, our y is positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If x sorry. Ayun, bakit ganyan?
Come on.
This is f of x
Ako,
equal to 2x plus. How do we get? Because we are to graph inverse function. How do we graph the inverse of this? Based on my explanation. Because there is other way in solving this one. This is by the use of transforming this function to inverse. Five or six steps changing the function. But the easiest one is what we have done. Naalala niyo pa kung paano siya gawin? Can you chat your answers in the chat box kung paano hanapin ang graph ng inverse nito? Because one of the indication that the function is inverse is there is negative 1 exponent before negative 1 of x. This means this is inverse. If there are no exponent, then this is rational function. Oh, may nag-answer na sa chat box. We will interchange the values of x and y. Can you, what are you using? Are you using cell phone or laptop? Because I will let you graph the inverse of f of x equals 2x plus 8. We haven't sketched the graph yet of the inverse. This is rational function pa lang. So who among you here is using laptop? Wala. Pero correct yung answer ni Charles. Charles by po. Bye po. Wait lang. Bye. Ayan, dito. Charles Panaga. Okay, from Gregory, I guess. Gregory. Carol. Dave. Elvin. Harold. Ay, akala ko si Harold na taga St. Dominic. Harold pala ito na taga St. Bernard. Maraming taga St. Bernard pumasok. Santi Chong from St. Ignatius. Yes. Do you have laptops, Santi? Do you have laptops, Santi? Do not forget, the first graph is rational function. And we will get, or we will sketch the graph of what we are to find. That is the inverse. we will interchange values of x in terms of y. We have x here. We have y here. So, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 for values of x, and exchanging 2 for values of y, which is the values of x here will now be values of y here. 2, 1, 0, 1, positive 2. So what's the image of our graph? Our graph looks like this. You cannot express the graph unless you would try it to sketch. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, positive 2, positive, negative 1, negative 2. If our x is 0, our y is negative 2. If our x is our y is negative 1. If our x is 4, this one, our y is 0.
Uminom din na siya.
1, 2, 3, 4. If our x is 6, our y is positive 1. If our x is 8, our y is positive. Yan. Ang dapat ng inverse. So kung mapansin nyo, kanina, the graph of rational function is located here. Diyan ang function ng rational. Ito, this one. And we all know that inverse is the image reflected from the angle, from the axis of symmetry which passes through this region. So, andito ang axis of symmetry. Sabi ko kanina na parang salamin. Pag i-extend mo ito, actually may arrow yan dito both sides. Ibig sabihin yan, extended up to infinity. Extended up to infinity. Extend it here. Then, the inverse of this is found here. The inverse of this is found. This one. Right? So, kung nasa classroom tayo, makita nyo talaga na yung intersection nila fix talaga siya. Dito kasi sa stylus ko, mahirap pero tandaan nyo, bear in mind that the inverse is just a reflection of the rational function that is under one-to-one function. Sana naiintindihan yung one-to-one function. Do you have question? You can type in the chat. Do you understand? If you cannot understand today, anyways, I will still upload this to YouTube and will be uploaded to Astrology next week. So good for you that you are here because you have already a background of the topic next week. Okay, these are how will we sketch the graph of an inverse function if the given is table of values and equation. Actually, I want to teach you how to convert this into inverse. Ito, convert sa inverse yan siya. Para makita nyo ang ano ba yung f raised to negative 1 of x. Sige, I will try to sige. Turuan ko pa yung paano. Pero kung di nyo mag-gets ngayon, don't worry. We have allotted time for all of this. Noon, nung face-to-face pa talaga, wala pang pandemic, the sequence of my discussion is this one. Function muna, lahat ng function. Kunyari, rational. Then after this function, because functions focuses on graphs, the next part of this is rational equation and inequalities. Ay, ito ha, ay inequalities. This is to prove that the part here is equal or greater than or less than or equal to the side here. Walang graph dito, puro lang solving itong rational equation. Kaya ngayon na set up, inuna ko lahat ng mga functions like last week rational function, this week next week inverse function, next this is exponential function, next this is logarithmic function. Then after finishing logarithmic function, I will go back to rational equation. Ay, pangatlo na pala ito. The rational equation is last week, and the topic this week is, nakalimutan ko, that is absolute value function. I'm sorry. That is absolute value function, which is the topic for this week. Alright. So, pag natapos na natin lahat ng function, that's the time we will discuss the harder ones, the equations and inequalities. Kaya kung sabi, there is another venue for discussion kasi nakasimot ko talaga siya na ibahin na siya ngayon. So, as I have promised a while ago, I'll teach you how to get the inverse of function. The given a while ago is, I cannot remember already, so I will make another one. F of x is equal to, can you give a function to the chat box?
This one. Ari pa kung tira mo.
Who can give? Type nyo lang na yun, di ba? 3x minus 7 4x plus 2. Sino? Ayol. Can you give me a function? Or Santi? Or Shaina? Or Juan? Hindi talaga nag-know si Juan. Anong ipasolve mo sa kanya? Solve mo talaga. Kasi ang apelido niya is Ye. Hindi siya pwede mag-know. Si Yena. Bigyan mo ako ng function. Juan. Wala? Ayun na, yes. Thank you. Shaina. Yes, correct. F of x is equal to negative 4x. Ay, wait lang. Negative. Dati, last year, ganito ng gamit ko. Tapos namin. Nasign ako ng erase. Ano na gano'n yun? Negative 4x. Ano yung nilagay na? Plus 5. To change f of x to y, this becomes y equals 4x plus 5. None. Then we will interchange x and y. Gets niya? So this becomes x equals, nawala na yung negative. Negative 4y plus 5. Nagets? Interchange yung x and y. Like what we do in the table, we interchange the values of x in terms of y. In equation, we will interchange also the y and the x. Next, this becomes x minus 5 because we will transpose this to the other side, right? And negative 4y or negative 4y equals x minus 5. We will not change the signs because we are just interchanging it. We are not transposing it. It is different when we transpose. It changes the sign. But if we interchange from the rule of commutative property, that is we interchange the places of numbers when it is to be added and multiplied. Then we will find value of y. Thus we will divide this by negative 4. By negative 4. We will also divide the other side by 4. Thus we have y is equal to x minus 5 all over negative 4. That's the time we will change this f of negative 1 of x equals x minus 5 over negative 4. This is the inverse of this rational function. Okay. Now, we will try to graph a function which is not one-to-one function. Ano ba na yung one-to-one function? That your x must have only one values of y. 1 to 1. What? If we have this one, we have f of x equal to x squared minus 4. This is no longer a line. And this is no longer 1-to-1. Why? There are two values of x and 1 values of y. So, hindi na siya 1 to 1. 2 to 1 na siya or 1 to 2. Hindi ito mag-graph. Pero we cannot find the inverse of this. How do we graph the inverse of this? That's the time we will restrict. What is the graph of this? According to absolute value sign, this is parabola. Right? Parabola which opens upward. Positive x squared. That's according to the STEM students, according to their calculus. If positive x squared, that is a parabola which opens upward. Because there are also parabolas opens downward to the right and to the left. In this case, this is a parabola which opens downward. Nagets niyo? And we will restrict this in order for us to get the inverse. So this becomes f of x equals x squared minus 4. X must be greater than or equal to 0. This is now the restriction. So how do we graph this one? First, the easiest way is to have table of values. And we will assign values of x. Since we are to graph rational function, negative 2, walang kamatayang negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and
Mami, let's go. Oh, Kevin.
okay. Substitute the values of x to the x squared in order for us to get the values of the ranges. Okay? Sige, solve naman ninyo. Sino mag-solve? Or maglagay. Halimbawa, ang nilagay nyo, halimbawa, x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to, ganun, para ma-check natin kung yung ba talaga. Dali naman type, no? Ano naman naman type? Keep going, hintay ko. What is the value of y if your x is negative 2? Using this. Oh, by the way, this is wrong. My assigned values are wrong. Why? The restriction states that x must be greater than or equal to 0. There should be no negative values. Okay, mali ako. Sorry. Nakita ko. Wala dapat negative na value kasi ang mga value daw ng x ito. Wait lang. Ang mga value daw ng x dapat mas malaki or equal sa 0. We will start with 0, 1, 2, and 3. Ganun lang. Tingnan natin yan sa 4. Sige ha, ulitin natin. Ayan lang. Repeat. Zero, 1, 2, and 3. Yan. Graph natin. If x is 0, our y is equals, tingnan ko na yung chat box. X is 0, y is negative 4. Correct. LB. LB, Bitonio. Ano ba yung section mo, LB? negative 4. And Shaina, alam ko na yung section ni Shaina, classmate sila ni Joanne. Ay, classmate sila tatlo. Palma, ano ba yung section mo, Palma? Parang ikaw yung nasa harap na kaupo ba? Hindi ko lang sure. If x is 1, positive 1, our y is, mali answer net unting. Mali.
Gamit ang senior high.
Correct, ang answer ni Palma. 0. If x is 1, what is our, yes, negative 3, tama. If x is 1, that is negative 3. If x is 2, tama, Cheryl. If x is 2, your y is 0. If x is 3, what is our y? Ay, okay lang siya. If x is 3, your y is, our y is what? 5, correct, Cheryl. Ano pinili mo, Cheryl? And ano ang section mo? Cheryl? Bruce, siguro apelyido mo. Cheryl Bruce. Kamag-anak nila Sunshine. 30, ay oo, yung volleyball player natin. Okay. Right na din ni Sarti di ay. Okay, this is our table of values for the restricted f of x equals x squared minus 4. How do we graph this one? By the way, I would like to thank you again and again for coming. X, Y, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, dagdagan siguro natin ng isa, no? Isa pa daw, be? Isa pa daw. 4. If x is 4, what is our y? If x is 4, what is our y? Kung ang x ay 4, ano ang value ng y? Biton nyo. 4 times 4, 16 minus 4, 12. Correct. Correct. Joanne, Cheryl, and LV. The classmate ito sila. And Unting, ang classmate sila. And magkatabi siguro sila. Nagkakopyahan na sila. Yo! This is 12. We have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If x is 0, what is our y? That is negative 4. Wait, sino yung nag-answer na isa? Si China. If our x is 1, our y is negative 3. If our x is 2, that is 0. If our x is 3, our y is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If x is 4, our y is 12. This is 12.
Namin yung basa. Okay, pero hindi pa na-convert na ng kwarta. Hindi mo, isa pa kayo kasi ito. Pwede na siya lang ba yan?
Hindi siya straight line. Curve siya.
Ay,
Ano? Ay, siya, sorry. Curve. Ganun talaga siya. Wait lang, i-erase ko siya. I-erase ito lahat. Oh! What? Okay. Hindi siya straight line ha. Ano siya ganun? Pag ganun. Pag ganun. Pag ganun. Hindi lang siya makita kasi ano eh. Mahirap mag-plot dito sa...
I can't hear you.
Basta pag ganun
What
ang graph.
said? Ay, sorry lang, sir, ha?
Perfect na graph. Kasi hindi man din perfect ang pagka, ano ko, pagka hati-hati. It should be
I will get this.
equidistant with each other. Lahat ng mga numbers
I will taste it.
going up, going down, to the left, to the right must be equidistant with each other for us to see the real picture or the real image of the graph. But in this case, this is correct. This graph is f of x equals, dito na nalagay sa baba, x squared minus 4, wherein x must be greater than or equal to 0. Sunod-sunod nila yan na pagkasulat. Ano na siya, nakaparallel siya kasi hindi naman magkasya dito. Magkasya dito. Sunod-sunod nyo lang siya. Charles Panaga, X. Ano yung X? What do you mean by X? Ano? Charles. Hindi mo na-gets? So this is the graph of f of x equals x squared minus 4, where x is greater than or equal to 0. Now, we will find its inverse if, according to Joanne, we will interchange the values of x in terms of y. So this becomes
sige, gagamit na nihan.
negative 4, negative 3, 0, 5, and 12. And our values of y will now be, our values of x will now be values of y. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. What will be the image? Dito siya.
Mao.
Graph ko man o hindi. Tapos subukan nyo i-graph dyan.
Pag-iya mo yung
Andito ang graph.
makakuyo, pag-iya.
Dito.
Sunod, ano rin mo, nagpipit na yung mo.
And,
Kaya na, kuha kami tanan.
and,
Bilang na mag-picture niya mo
nandito ang axis of symmetry. Yun. Yung axis of symmetry, nakalimutan. That is x equals y. Whatever the value of x must be the value of also of y.
Make na.
Now we have already proven that
birthday.
the graph of rational function. The graph of rational function. Ah, the graph of inverse function. The graph of the inverse function is a reflection of the graph of rational function, wherein it is symmetrical in the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry will serve as, example ko kanina, as mirror. Pag ganito, pag tingnan mo sa salamin, ganun talaga ang makita mo na curve. Yes, that's all for inverse function. I am very sad because I cannot give you everything, like explaining it in front of you because of this bagyong paeng. That is why I'm sad. Cannot give you all what is being done. Pero next time, when face-to-face comes and you will ask me to explain this again, and then I will not hesitate to explain this. Birthday mo na ano? Birthday mo na assistant principal. Do you have questions? You can chat on the chat box. Lampas na tayo ng 1 hour. Do you have questions? Or if you have questions, mamaya, pagka pinaformulate niyo pang questions niyo, you can message me, you can PM me on messages. Okay? Okay na? So, that's all. That's all for this afternoon. Thank you. Goodbye. Pero kung may questions pa kayo, hindi pa ako lalabas. Pero kung wala na kayong question, then, uy, sino itong Al-Amir? Anong section ka, Al-Amir? Al-Amir Manigpal? We have Marika Kusikol, bagong dating ba siya? Micaela, ay ito, dumating na ito kanina. Gomez. Ayan, wala na. Kung wala na kayong tanong, then I would like to thank you all for be part of the next week's topic. Saint Stephen po si Manipal. Thank you, Charles. Bye-bye. Kasi ba kayo? Wala na questions, then we can go now kasi i-edit ko pa yung video, like yung video last this week. Marami akong mga mali-mali na solve doon. Pero make sure na na-correct ko siya when I edit it. Hindi siya talaga na-edit. Screen record ko lang siya. So, thank you, Juan, LV, Shaina, Cheryl, Harold, Charles, Mera, Al-Amir, Maricar, and sino yung wala sa stage? Kaina. Bye-bye, Joanne. Thank Si Shina lang yata ay hindi na naka-stage. Ay, dito pala si Shina.